Hey guys, Pretty Rad here. Hope you guys are doing great. Today we have something pretty interesting in our hands, and as you see right here, it looks like a normal phone, like pretty much like a regular phone, but this isn't a regular phone. In fact, this is the new Huawei Mate XS. So, or they're calling the 10S, I don't know. But anyway, let's get on to it. So, if you come closer, right? So we're just gonna take a closer look on the phone itself. When you close it, you actually have a 6.6-inch display on the front, and when you flip it over, you actually have a 6.38 display. And as you open here, this is basically an eject button for you to just press and then launch it. You get a full 8-inch tablet display, which is pretty cool. And the best part is the bezel is super thin to a point that it's really nice. And as you can see me like literally holding it with one hand, pretty great. And also on the side we have the power button, and also it looks like it's going to be the fingerprint sensor as well, and you have the volume rocker. There's no headphone jack to be found, but you have a USB Type-C port at the bottom here, and behind you have a quad camera setup and the eject button again. Now let's take a closer look at the specification. The Huawei Mate XS is powered by a Kirin 990 processor, which is a 7nm processor, and you also get the NPU, which is the neural networking processing unit as well. And with that said, it comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage. That's plenty of storage if you ask me, so you can store your movie, this and that, anything that you want. And yeah, in fact, use the camera to take pictures as well. And that's pretty much it. And it also uses a really interesting hinge on the body, which we actually wrote in our article. It's a really long term, but yeah, I suggest you read more about it in our article. And the display on the front, you don't see any creases, like it's not that obvious. Yeah, the creases is not that obvious because it opens from outwards to within, so which is pretty great. And that's basically it, guys. This is the Huawei Mate XS. And as for the pricing, they have announced the European pricing, which is about 2,499 euros, which is pretty expensive, but we have no idea if it will arrive in the Malaysian market. But if it does, expect it to cost a pretty penny. And that's basically it, guys. That's your first look at the Huawei Mate XS. Thank you so much for watching. This is Pretty Rad signing off. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.